welcome back to another video. So I've got a pack of Kredioo gel polishes today. So this is another 6+2, 6 colours, and it comes with a top and a base. So let me get these out and I'll show you which ones I got. I needed this collection in my life. I use nudes a lot. Nudes, pink nudes, and this looks perfect. So these are numbered 8 up to 13. So just a quick swatch today. So some of their sets you just get 6 colours. Some of them you get your colours and your top and your base. So I'll stick a picture up on the screen of the colours, but I'm going to swatch them anyway. So Kredioo gels, they're quite a thin gel, but they're really opaque, really pigmented. They're full 7.5ml bottles. You've got all your ingredients on the back. Ignore my nails, I've literally just this minute finished taking them off. Right, so yeah, quick swatch. Oh, and what I've also got, guys, as well is, I've not tried these yet, but I've heard really good things about the super top coat in particular. So this is a pack of 2. These are huge 15ml bottles. So yeah, we've got your super top coat, which is a 15ml. Oh, that's thin. Yeah, that's quite thin. I like this bottle. And the base coat. Base coat's a bit thicker. Do you know something though? It's very hot today, so it's difficult to get a gauge on how thick or thin they are when it's hot. So I'm going to try that in a minute. So shall we just get swatching? Dying to see these. Like I said, I use these kind of colours a lot. Oh, this is one of the kind of colours I use so much. Really, really pale, creamy colour. I'm going to love this set. I know I am. I've got so many neons and pastel and bright colours recently, but I am so low on nudes in particular. And I am quite fussy with them. Yeah, they're quite thin gels, these Krediyoos. But every single set of colours I've had have been so opaque and creamy and just really nice to use. Look at that. Really nice creamy colour. I like it. Right. Next, what we got? Oh, so this is nice. This is a very, very pale pink. I like this a lot. Got a bit too much on my brush there, actually. You really don't need thick coats with this stuff. You really don't. That is nice. Very, very pale pink. Very pale pink. Right, number 10. So this is more on the beige side than creamy side. Am I making much sense? These kind of nudes look brilliant with neon, like neon designs over them, and pastel designs. They do, these kind of nudes. I like that a lot. I do like that a lot. Then we've got 11. Oh my gosh. This is a nice set of 6, guys. A lot of nude sets, half the time, I only use the first 1 or 2, because the rest of them are just too dark. But this is a very nice nude set. So we're on the 4th one, and I would use all 4 of these quite often. So far, so good. Yep, I like that a lot. All 4 of these I can see me using quite often. Number 12, please don't get too dark. No, it's not. It's not too dark. Again, I will use this one a lot. Little bit darker, but it's still not dark enough to call it a shitty brown, is it? It's still a nude. It's still a nice nude. I like it. I like it a lot. That is nice. Right, I've got a feeling this last one is going to be a bit too dark, but at the same time, It all depends on the design, doesn't it? Let's have a look. Actually, it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. It's really not. But it is a brown. This is definitely a brown. This would be good for painting trees. But yeah, it's still not too dark. It's not as dark as I was expecting. But yeah, that is a brown. I'll call it a shit brown there. I've said it. That's a shit brown. Oh, that little fleck's going to bug me. Let's smudge that little fleck somewhere else. Back into the bottle. It's a nice shade of brown. So this is the first colour that we did. Really nice creamy colour. Right, so let's see what this super top coat's saying. Yeah, it's very thin. But like I said, it's hot today, so I don't know if it's normally thin or if it's because it's hot. It's definitely thinner than the base coat though. Right guys, that is them all swatched. I really like it. I do. Normally I've got probably 3 sets of 6 nudes from different brands, and it's normally the first 2 or maybe 3 that I'll get use out of, and all the others they just end up going like from this dark to another too dark. But this is actually a really nice light set of nudes, isn't it? That one is a little dark to be a nude, but I really like it. I love this nude pink. I like that a lot. I love the first 2. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I needed nudes so badly. And that is the super top coat. My swatches are a bit dusty crusty, aren't they, today? Look at all the bits. I think it's because I've just took my nails off and I've not cleaned up properly. Clean up at the end of the day. That is the super top coat. It looks nice. It does. Did I say as well, I can't remember if I even said these are off Amazon. Probably have. I probably have. But yeah, that's it guys, just a quickie. Humped you and dumped you again today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.